Hopefully this information has helped demystify the import template process. So let's talk about how to make your own template. To get started, you will need a file. Autodesk cannot provide this for you since it is your information that needs to be imported. Once you have your file ready, open your import data page and add a new template. Give your template a name that will differentiate it from other templates. Tell Autodesk what type of file you want to import and what the delimiter is. If you don't know what a delimiter is, you probably have a file with comma-separated values, or, more commonly, a CSV file. Upload your file to the template so Autodesk can see what the file layout will be. You should see one field for each column appear down the page. If you see all of the columns from your file show up under number 1, then the delimiter type is probably wrong. To fix this, click Reload Sample Data and add your file again, selecting a different delimiter. If you are creating an order import template, there is one extra field that you will need to select, the order match column. Shipments, inventory, and order modify templates will not have this field. In order import templates, this field tells Autodesk when more than one line should be included in a single order. Look down at the columns and find the one with the order number. This column is typically the one you want to set in the order match column field. If you do not select a column in the order match column field, any additional lines for a single order will be skipped and not added to the order. The other details available in all 4 import templates are a place to rename your template, the option to skip the first line in the file if it is header info and shouldn't be imported, the option to send a notification if a file is emailed or sent through FTP to this template, and the place where you will input your FTP credentials if you will be pulling in files via FTP. Also notice your unique email address for the template. You can give this email address to any person or company that will be sending files to your Autodesk store, and they will automatically be imported, as long as the file matches the template. To the right is manual mapping. You probably won't need to do anything here, but if you have extra details to include that aren't in the file, check the FAQ for more information about how this works. Now the most important part, mapping your file to Autodesk. Here is where you will go down and connect each of your columns to the field name that Autodesk needs to know. If any columns are not necessary, simply skip them and Autodesk will not import these fields. Most fields can be found and mapped by clicking the drop-down and scrolling to the appropriate field name. However, some fields will need to be filled in. When you see the field followed by a pipe, it means you need to add your preferred field name. Let's look at variations to see how this works. If you are importing your inventory and you have products with variations, select the Product Variation option from the drop-down. Then add your variation name for the field. If it's color, type in color. If it's size, type in size. It can be anything you need to call it. Leave the field name and the pipe, but fill in the space after the pipe with your variation name. The same can be done for item or order metadata. Save your template when you are done. Next, we'll cover how to import your files.